Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Jaraubnb channel. Don't always forget to subscribe, like and comment on my videos. So today I have a new video. I'm going to show you how to transfer smart chain BNB, which is BEP20, which is like BNB BEP20, from Trust Wallet to Binance. So as you can see, I have $48 of smart chain BNB. So I'm going to transfer this to my Binance account. Let me click here. So this is my Binance account. It's taking a bit. So this is my Binance. The network is a bit slow. Oh, the prices have increased. So BNB is now at almost $400. Bitcoin is at 42. So I go to wallets and I click on deposit. Remember I said I'm going to transfer smart chain BNB from Trust Wallet to where? To Binance. So which means I have to deposit BNB. So I go to, as you saw what I did here, I went to my wallet, I chose deposit BNB. Then the network, choose network. Ensure the network you choose to deposit matches the withdraw network. So my withdraw network is Binance Smart Chain, which is BEP20. So which means here I have to choose BNB BEP20 because I'm sending from BNB BEP20 from Trust Wallet. So I click on the chain is BNB BEP20 BNB Smart Chain. So I click on this and I copy the address. So I can scan this, but I'm going to copy the address. So this is the address. I've copied it from here and I go back to my Trust Wallet and then I log in again. So I click on Smart Chain. I click on this and then I click on send. I'm now sending to my wallet, the one I told you about. So I can paste it here. And I can maybe send the maximum, but I won't send the maximum. I won't send roughly maybe $45. That's roughly 0. Okay, let me see what is max. Let me put here 1 or maybe 0.9. Not really. 1. Okay, max again. What's max? That's 2. So what happens? That's no. How about if I put 1? 1.5. Yes. So and then I say continue. And then they're going to take some little fees. So the fee is 0. The fee is so minute. It's only 0.04. So I'm going to send $46 to my Binance account, and then I click on that. I have to confirm again with my. So it's loading. It will take a few seconds, and then I have to wait for it the other side. So the transfer is here. It will take a few seconds, and then it will send the other side. Has been sent. As you can see here, the transfer is here. So you click on this, it has been completed. It just takes a few seconds. There's also a notification up here, sent just a minute ago. So it has been sent. So we now have to check on the Binance account to see if you have received it. So we now have to go to the Binance account. Just a few seconds. As you can see, there's a notification here. The deposit of BNB is completed. So you click on this. So it has been completed. The deposit has been completed. So ladies and gentlemen, that's how you send BNB Smart Chain from Trust Wallet to Binance. So I can now do anything I want with I can trade with it, I can convert it to fiat, but so that's how you send BNB Smart Chain from Trust Wallet to Binance app. So ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.